My name is Brian Nyamanga. I'm a tour guide for Charlie's Travels. I just recently joined. And I want to talk about my first experience with Charlie's Travels. And it was a family tour guide in Kisumu. And it was an amazing experience. It was a family of 13, 7 kids and 6 adults. And I was the one responsible for this family in Kisumu. So I understand that children also make a big part of a travel. So my first assignment was to make sure that the kids felt the experience in Kisumu. So I created a small game for them, a treasure hunt, which they really cracked it, and I was really happy that they did. They really did kick it. And the parents too were also involved, and they were really happy after they say that they didn't expect that the kids will have such a good time during this tour in Kisumu. My greatest passion is to share the amazing places about where I stay. So I give this to them as much as they give their love and they give their appreciation back. And the experience is amazing because once you share where you come from with people who come from another place, then they share that place with people that they meet out there, and the world now becomes a small, beautiful global village. And I guess this is why I'm working for Charlie's Travels at the moment, because I'd love to share the world, a piece of the world that belongs to me, that belongs to everybody else. This is what I would also love to always share. And my second walk with Charlie's Travels was this family of 5, and they were beautiful family, very calm, very humble, very eager to learn. And we visited the art school, the art market, the spices market, the vegetables market, because that's where life is. Life is where life grows, where the nature is. And they were really specific about what they wanted to see about the city, and they really wanted to talk to the people and listen to the experiences of the people. And this is what I did. So I created a small tour plan for them because they only had a couple of hours to execute this. And I think we really did a good job together in this tour. And they were also happy to see something that is common in the art school, that a picture of the prince when he was still a boy, but now he's the king, when he visited this Kisumu and he was in the art school. And I remember that Father Hans, who's to execute this, and I think we really did a good job together in this tour. And they were also happy to see something that is common in the art school, that a picture of the prince when he was still a boy, but now he's the king, when he visited this Kisumu and he was in the art school. And I remember that Father Hans, who's the proprietor of the art school, welcomed him, and that the prince, now the king of Holland, is a great supporter of this art school. So I guess when they come to Kisumu, they find a piece of home in Kisumu, you know, and this is a great experience for them. And I think all of them say that the peach moment for them was the art school, and other places, of course, you know, because Kisumu is diverse. It's opening up now to tourism. And working like this, working and doing this kind of tours, opening up the city, opening up spaces that people don't know about, constantly researching and finding new zones, new places that people can experience the world that we live in here, is like my prime objective. And making them happy, seeing them happy, seeing their faces smile, the children smile, the parents are smiling. And at the end of this tour with this second family, we had a small djembe workshop down by the lake, right by the edge of the lake, and it was amazing. One amazing part about it is that the family began to share stories during the drumming and storytelling sessions. And the father also shared a story about some Hungarian folk tales that he had not shared a long time. And he said, hey, I've never realized that, that I had this in me, that I could actually speak and share a story. So it's awesome. It's awesome, and I would love to do it again. I would love to show the world, this side of the world, to anybody who's willing out there. And I give thanks to Charlie's Travels, and I give thanks to everyone who's working, the administrators, everybody else for showing their support, constantly calling, keeping sure that all the clients are safe on the field. And this is what it's really all about. So I'm looking forward to a lot of other exciting journeys and adventures. So my name is Brian again, Nyamanga for Charlie's Travels Tour Guide. And peace, and I love you all.